Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Prosper, Texas, and we're doing a big game room upgrade. We're going to be installing this bad boy here, the QN90A 98-inch Neo QLED TV from Samsung. You can just see the scale of it. It is massive. So we're making our way into the house now. All right, guys, so we're in the media room or game room here. They mainly use it just to watch sports and other things in here. So we're getting everything unboxed and staged. They've got a Samsung 85-inch TV here. They've got speakers that someone else set up for them that they were never set up right, and they don't use them. So we're going to replace it with the new 98-inch TV. We're going to put some Klipsch Pro 180 RPCs in the ceiling here. We're going to do an episode Evo 10 in white. We're going to put it probably back behind the couch here. So they've got a 2.1 system, and they'll be able to hear a lot better because it'll be above the primary seating position. So we're going to go ahead and get to work on moving this TV. This is basically, we're rotating. We always recommend get the best TV you can for your primary viewing area and then rotate. So nice 85-inch TV is going to the living room, which is replacing a 70-inch TV, an older sharp 70-inch TV, and that's rotating to the bedroom. So we're just rotating the TVs for them today. You see they sit about 30 feet away, and the 85-inch TV just, it really doesn't feel, it's big up close, but then doesn't feel as big as a 98-inch will. So they just wanted a better viewing experience and just better overall experience here, which is why we're doing the better speakers and everything else. We're using Control4 and a Triad 1 as well. All right, so we're cutting the hole. We've just got the hole cut for the Klipsch RP 180 RPC. That's the reference Premier in-ceiling speaker. So it's a really nice 8-inch. Basically, this is the woofer and tweeter out of the RP 8000 tower speaker. So these things have really nice sound, and it's going to be a really nice upgrade for this customer. All right, so we've got the speakers in. Instead of the cable going behind us where we thought the, where all the wall plates were, where we thought the speaker cable was coming out, it turns out that it was actually behind the couch here. So we are instead running new lines back over to behind the credenza there, where we're gonna put all the equipment. All right, so we've got our bracket on the wall, in-wall extension for power and everything run through. So we're going to go ahead and get it up on the wall. All right, we're peeling the protective cover off. So it comes with covers for the hands. Edgar, you want to grab that side? Or the plastic? Just the white part. There we go. All right, so the plastic is coming off. Big piece of plastic.
Can you place it?
Hello. Discover great new possibilities.
Alrighty, so we've got the 98-inch QN90 Samsung on the wall. So it's the Neo QLED, the 90 series. We've got down here below, we've got our Roku Ultra and our DirecTV box, Triad 1 amplifier for the speakers, and there's a wireless subwoofer transmitter back there as well. Our Core 1 for Control4, and the Araknis PoE switch. That's the 210 series 8-port switch. Up above here, we've got our Pro 180 RPCs, and then back here behind the chair, we've got a Episode Evo 10 subwoofer with a wireless subwoofer kit. I will show you the remote here in just a moment. So you can see we're in the Roku here. So this is the Roku screensaver. We can wake this up. This controls the Roku and everything else on here. So we're showing our YouTube channel on here. If you want to go back within the app, you hit the back button, and that'll take you back within the app. If you want to go to the main screen, your home screen, you hit the menu button on here, and it takes you back to the main menu. So if you want to then go and watch the DirecTV, you hit the watch button, and you can select what you want to do. So you hit the DirecTV button. It's going to change the input. So the flashing you may see on the display of the remote here, that's just the different refresh rates of the screen and the camera, so it doesn't actually flicker. It looks perfectly fine in real life. So after you've hit watch, go to DirecTV, it's going to go to your DirecTV. Of course, guide controls the guide, and everything you want to do controls the DirecTV box as you'd expect. You can hit back and get out of that. So when you're done for the day, you just hit the off button, and it will turn off the system. It's that simple.
All right, well, thanks for tuning in. If you enjoy videos like this or projects with audio, video, networking, automation, whole home audio, anything like that, anything media related, please consider subscribing, show your support for our channel. Hit that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos as well, and give us a big thumbs up. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area in Texas, we can be reached at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. We can do full system design. We're authorized dealers for Klipsch, Sonos, all the products you see in our videos here as well. So buying products from us is like buying directly from the manufacturers. You get full manufacturer warranty and everything else, just as if you bought it directly from the manufacturer. You just get our expertise and service to install everything as well. So again, 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. Thanks, guys.